BehatEditor now has a ability to link tests to features, to GitHub Issues. So now, as you're writing a new sprint, outlining some goals for that sprint, you can create an issue which ties right to GitHub. And what's really cool about here is you can sit here with a manager or someone who, product owner, and stub out the goals for that sprint. So you could say, let's see, we'll make a test food name. Now, what's the related file? Now, what's going to happen here is this is going to relate to a test file in the system. And therefore, we're going to see a relationship happen to a test. So we're going to stub out one. We're going to make one brand new. And we're going to stub it out. And we're going to just go over the business logic for this project, for this particular feature. And this is where you could quickly, with the managers or owners or whoever, non-technical or technical, stub out the goals of this feature. And so you could say at work in progress, so we don't run it right away, and go over the typical BDD style outline. So, and once that's done, what you're going to get, you can relate it to the sprint, assign it to somebody, select a status, give it a tag, and so forth, and give it an amount of time it will take. Once that's done, you'll get a line down here showing the title you gave it and who's assigned to, and the details, which would just open up that modal again. But this is the coolest part. You start to see this box here. And this box will click and open right up to the editor of the test you stubbed out. Now, we'll let that open up for a moment. But what's going to be really neat is when this test runs, it's going to start showing here as minus or plus, green or red, basically, to emphasize whether it's passing or not. So you can quickly come back to this page and see how your ticket's doing, how your goal's doing for that sprint. And so here we see I stubbed this out earlier, it's just, it wouldn't pass right now, but it's here for someone to write and commit and start running so that they can see it passing or failing.